Hey girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another math video for my lovely first grade mathematicians. This week, we've talked a lot about two-digit subtraction. We've talked about how to use our strategies and how to subtract really big numbers. Today, we're going to talk about how to solve two-digit subtraction in word problems. Let's start with yesterday's challenge problem. So this was the challenge problem I gave you yesterday. I am going to read it again to you now. It says, Ava had 45 erasers. She gave Jazori 23 erasers. How many erasers does Ava have left? So what is the very first thing we do when we are working on a word problem? Who can tell me what that very first thing we do is? Yeah, we underline the information we need to know, and we underline the information we want to know. So let's start by looking at this. It says Ava had 45 erasers. Okay, so I know there were 45 erasers. She gave Jazori, she gave someone 23 erasers. I'm going to circle that number. How many erasers does Ava have left? And that's what I want to know. So I'm going to underline that next. Okay, so I need to know Ava had 45 erasers and then she gave Jazori 23 erasers. And I want to know how many erasers does Ava have left? She had 45, she gave 23 to Jazori. So am I adding or am I subtracting? I'm subtracting, yeah. She had 45 and she gave 23 away. So our equation is 45 minus 23. And so I'm being asked how many erasers does Ava have left? So my written response is going to be Ava has erasers left. Okay, so I have my equation and my written response. Now I need to set up my strategies. I already filled in my place value picture chart. I have 4 tens and 5 ones. And the reason I have 4 tens and 5 ones is because Ava had 45 erasers before she gave some away. So her whole was 45. I want to know how many she had left after she gave some away. So I'm starting with 45 because that's her original amount. It's whole. 45 goes on top as the whole, and then minus 23 because that's how many she gave to Jazori. Now I'm going to start subtracting. As always, I'm going to look at my ones place to help me. So 45 has 5 ones. I am taking away 3. So I'm going to cross off 3 of my ones because I'm taking away 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many ones am I left with? I'm left with 2 ones. 5 take away 3 is 2. 5, and you cross out 3, you are left with 2. Good job. Now let's look at our tens place. I have 4 tens. I'm taking away 2. So I'm going to go over here and cross out 2 tens. Ready? 1, 2. So I've crossed out 2 tens. How many tens am I left with? Yeah, I'm left with 2 tens. 4 take away 2 is 2. 4 and you cross out 2, you're left with 2. So Ava had 45. She gave away 23. She was left with 2 tens and 2 ones. How many erasers did Ava have left? Yep, she had 22 erasers left. Ava has 22 erasers left. You guys did a really good job with this. I am so impressed with you. You are going to keep practicing word problems in your packet today, and I'm going to give you another word problem as your challenge problem for today. Here it is. Elizabeth has 36 crayons and 15 pencils. How many more crayons than pencils does Elizabeth have? This is worded a little bit differently, so you need to be careful. Keep working hard, keep doing your packets, keep going on Zern. I am very proud of you, and I will see you tomorrow.